Are you ready to make a number with Scoop the dog and Petey the parrot?
But first, a visit from the handwriting fairy to show us the way to make a 2-digit number.
Hi, boys and girls. I do not have a special rhyme for you today with this special 2-digit number, but I've got 2 rhymes to help you write this 2-digit number. So when we look at 10, we've got 1 in the tens place, 0 in the ones. To write our 1, a straight line down. And to make that 0 in the ones place, circle all the way around. Finish where you start to make a 0. So we are going to make our 1 10 and our 0 ones.
It's really important that both your numbers are the same height. We know many ways to make 10. In America, we have a $10 bill. We also have a dime that's worth 10 cents. And the easiest way to learn how to make 10 is with your magic counting sticks, your 10 fingers. You always have your 10 friends with you. But first, let's watch a video of Scoop eating 10 pieces of kibble in a 10 frame.
Go ahead. Good girl.
So Scoop and Petey are going to use the 10 frame to organize their thinking to learn all the different ways they know how to make 10. Petey, what's one way you know how to make 10?
One way to make 10 is to start off with 2 in my 10 frame. I'm going to add 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 8 equals 10.
Scoop always knows that she can use the commutative property to write that same equation for 10. 10 is equal to 8 plus 2. But Scoop likes to borrow things from Petey, so Scoop's going to make a trade. She's going to trade one of the rectangles for a circle and come up with a new equation that makes 10. Now Scoop sees that 3 circles plus 7 rectangles fill our 10 frame. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Petey, what's another way you know how to make 10?
Petey's going to borrow from Scoop, and he's going to take one of his away. And he's going to have 4 in the 10 frame. And that means he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. 4 plus 6 equals 10.
And Scoop thinks Petey is pretty silly because Petey missed the easiest way to make 10. When I look at a 10 frame, I don't need anything in it to even know that it makes 10, because just like my fingers, I know I have 5 in the top row and 5 in the bottom row, and I know my doubles, that 5 plus 5 makes 10. Now it's your turn to share with your teachers the ways that Petey and Scoop missed to make 10, because there's a couple of them. So Scoop says, 10 is our friend. Tell someone all the ways you just learned how to make 10.